Hey there, science enthusiasts! Welcome back to another thrilling episode where we explore the mysteries of the cosmos and the hidden dangers lurking in our solar system. Today, we're diving into something straight out of a sci-fi thriller, city-killer asteroids hiding in the sun's glare near Venus. These celestial bodies are not just fascinating, they pose a real and present danger to our planet. Imagine this, massive, deadly space rocks, some over 1,300 feet wide, lurking just out of sight. These asteroids are like cosmic ninjas, stealthily orbiting in the shadows, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. These aren't your average space pebbles, they're city killers. Capable of causing unprecedented destruction, these asteroids could wipe out entire cities in the blink of an eye. Scientists have recently identified 3 of these menacing rocks, 2020 SB, 2020 CL1, and the ominously named 524522 Zoozve. Each of these asteroids has the potential to cause catastrophic damage if they were to collide with Earth. If one of these behemoths hit Earth, the impact would be 1,000,000 times stronger than the Hiroshima bomb. The sheer force of such an impact is almost unimaginable. Yeah, you heard that right, 1,000,000 times. The devastation would be beyond anything humanity has ever experienced. The result? Flattened cities, devastating tsunamis and craters miles wide. The aftermath would be a scene straight out of an apocalyptic movie. These asteroids orbit in the same region as Venus, and their paths bring them dangerously close to Earth's orbital zone. This proximity makes them a significant threat to our planet. What makes them even scarier is their unpredictability. These asteroids don't follow a simple, predictable path. Their orbits are influenced by various gravitational forces. Scientists describe their orbits as chaotic. This chaos makes it incredibly difficult to predict their exact paths and potential impact points. Gravitational forces from nearby planets, especially Venus and Earth, could hurl them off their current paths and send them straight towards us. This gravitational dance adds another layer of complexity to tracking these asteroids. Now here's the kicker, because these asteroids orbit so close to the Sun, they're almost invisible to Earth-based telescopes. The Sun's glare makes it nearly impossible to spot them until it's too late. We might only get 2 to 4 weeks of warning before impact, barely enough time to say, oh no. This short notice period leaves us with very limited options for a response. Experts are sounding the alarm, calling for urgent deployment of space-based observatories near Venus. These observatories would be our early warning system, giving us a better chance to detect these hidden threats. These would keep a constant eye on these hidden threats. Continuous monitoring is crucial to ensure we are not caught off guard by these stealthy space rocks. While no impact is imminent, the fact that we've only just discovered them raises a chilling question. What else are we missing? The universe is vast, and there could be many more hidden dangers out there. So, stay tuned as we dive deeper into the science, the risks, and what humanity is doing to defend against the unthinkable. A direct hit from a Venus-orbiting asteroid. We'll explore the latest technologies and strategies being developed to protect our planet. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more mind-blowing space discoveries. Your support helps us bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of space science. Until next time, keep looking up, but maybe also a little to the side. The universe is full of surprises, and you never know what might be hiding just out of sight.